Meme coins are making a comeback. Now, I know that the market has been on a downturn over the last couple of days, really weeks, maybe almost an entire month now, as Bitcoin has been falling, Ethereum's been falling, Solana's been falling, but it seems as though we may be bottoming out and things are beginning to rise again. Now, this could be an excellent dip buying opportunity because, of course, we are in an overall bull market, and you can see right here that meme coin liquidity hits record high even as the bid-ask spread spotlights risk. We're going to talk a little bit about this in the video. We're going to talk about a meme coin that I believe could absolutely soar as the market rebounds. PlayDoge, guys. If you haven't seen it, you need to stick around and check it out. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we get PlayDoge on the screen. Now, if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you use that link in the description below. Pull up this website. It's going to be very, very easy to connect your wallet, but we're going to go over that in a second here. We got to check out this article here because this is an excellent insight into the fact that meme coins are making a comeback. And we could be seeing some fantastic gains up ahead. Now, we know that meme coins are risky, so the spread on them is, of course, going to be a little larger than other times. But it says executing trades in prominent meme coins is easier than ever now that liquidity, as measured by 1% market depth, has surged to record highs, according to data tracked by Paris-based Keiko. The combined figure for Doge, Shib, Pepe, Whiff, Bonk, Grok, Baby Doge, Floki, Meme, Harry Potter, Spawn, Bottle, whatever, the other one there, recently rose to $128 million, the data shows. The figure describes the total value of buy and sell orders within a 1% range of current market price. The deeper the liquidity, that is, the higher the figure. The easier it is to execute large orders at stable prices. Guys, a lot of people, they enter my live streams, they leave comments on the videos, and they don't consider meme coins a viable investment. And I put it in quotes because I don't think that cryptocurrency at all is an investment. I believe it's a speculative trade, right? We understand that really, well, I guess if you're looking at it this way, there's nothing ever considered an investment. It's very hard to fundamentally value a cryptocurrency, right? But when we're taking a look at liquidity pools, when we're taking and understanding the concept that a cryptocurrency is only as good as the community that it can develop and the holders that it can develop, you get a little bit better understanding of why crypto is so speculative, especially meme coins. But those could lead to the most robust gains because, of course, those are the ones that are able to build the largest communities. Now, with meme coin liquidity at an all-time high, at record highs right now, it means that people are pouring into these meme coins on this dip. Why? Because they understand the idea that we are in an overall bull market. They know what happened the last time. Now, we are on a dip in a bull market. This could lead to the perfect buying opportunity for the meme coins mentioned here, Doge, Shiba Inu coin, Pepe, Whiff, Bonk, all of that, but even more so, the smaller ones. Guys, if you're looking at PlayDoge here, you can see that they have already raised $4,946,000 in their pre-sale. I truly believe that if the market wasn't pulling back the way that it is, PlayDoge would be well above $10 million by now. PlayDoge may have sold out by now. They are doing an amazing job of continuing to sell despite the recent bloodbath that the market has been going through. And that is a true testament of the demand that it is creating. Now, if you guys want to click the link in the description below to pull up PlayDoge, you're going to click Connect Wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys can use however you want to connect your wallet here. And then you're going to decide how much you want to buy. 5 Ethereum worth is going to get you 3.3 million PlayDoge. And you can also buy with BNB or USDT on both the Ethereum and the BNB blockchain. If you want to stake, staking is now available on the Ethereum blockchain and you're earning 140% annualized interest. Guys, go look at the market right now. You're not getting 140% annualized interest anywhere, and you can get that in PlayDoge if you are willing to stake. You're going to forego the liquidity? Sure, but you also don't have to worry about the launch date volatility and volatility thereafter. So what is PlayDoge? PlayDoge is the best play to earn Doge companion game. It is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to life as a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. You're going to be able to secure your play tokens in the pre-sale to earn crypto while playing nostalgic 2D retro game adventures. Guys, it is absolutely awesome. You're going to have cutting-edge digital economy of cryptocurrency. You're going to nurture your PlayDoge by feeding, entertaining, training, and ensuring it gets enough sleep. And you're going to dive into classic 8-bit side-scrolling adventures, reliving the 90s nostalgia of gaming. So they are building a play-to-earn Tamagotchi-style app. This is the graphic that they're going with so far. And on top of that, they're going to have all of these mini-games. You're going to have the side scrolls, and you're going to have these retro-style arcade games, very similar to Space Invaders and so on, that you're going to be able to come out and play. Now, there are 4 phases to the roadmap. If you would like to go over those, just please understand that the app and the launch of the mini games is going to be taking place in phase 4. If you want to break down the tokenomics, they are here. And of course, you can go through and understand better how to connect your wallet, buy and claim, and all of that there. But please get your questions answered before buying in. This is the one I see the most. This is the one I go over the most. But once the pre-sale concludes, all buyers will be able to claim their play tokens using the same wallet that they contributed. Token claiming is going to take place on the BNB blockchain. So when is the token pre-sale going to end? These guys are slated for 40 price increases. Because the timers keep ticking down and the market has pulled back a little bit and you're not seeing as much money pour in, it's taking a little bit longer, which means that you guys can earn those staking rewards for a little bit longer as well. Think about that. Every corner has its benefit. If the pre-sale takes longer, you're going to be earning more and more rewards, which is absolutely awesome, especially at 140% annualized interest. But it's not too late to get in. Guys, they've already gone through roughly 10, 11 price increases. Therefore, they have roughly 30 price increases left. Think about that. You're going to have such a nice padded position if you decide to get in now by the time this token launches. Hopefully, the market is completely rebounded. Hopefully, everybody is bullish. And hopefully, you are in to take advantage of the ride. I am in. I am ready. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are in and if you're ready as well. Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.